Hey, Grandpa, what you doing?
Oh, hi there. You got here just in the nick of time.
In time for what exactly? What are you doing, Grandpa?
Oh, did I not tell you? I am taking a science class on the interwebs. Today's homework assignment is testing different reactions.
Well, what have you tested?
Well, I have tried Coke and soap. I tried Coke and paper clips, didn't get anything with that. Then I tried an ice cold Coca-Cola and a piece of Mama's pumpkin pie. Nothing. But it was delicious. I just have one more left.
Okay.
Coke and Mentos.
Well,
But I don't think it'll work.
you know, Grandpa, I think that's gonna work. You don't have to test
I
that
just
out.
can't be sure until I see it for myself.
Okay.
Ready? Set. Experiment. We got. Just like this video here foreshadowed this reaction, the Bible foreshadowed the coming of Jesus through prophecies written thousands of years before he was born, and about how exactly he would be born and how he would come and save us. And I should have seen this coming.